healthy plant cells. With all of our ingredients added, it's time to stir the solution. Keep stirring until all the ingredients are fully dissolved in the water. This might take a bit of elbow grease, but think of it as a mini workout, and voila! You've created your very own hydroponic nutrient solution. But what's next? Now that you have your homemade nutrient solution, it's time to put it to use and watch your plants thrive. Pour the solution into your hydroponic system, ensuring that it reaches the roots of your plants. The beauty of hydroponics is that the nutrients go straight to the root system, allowing your plants to absorb them more efficiently. You'll find that your plants are not only healthier, but they also grow faster. This is because they're getting all the nutrients they need without any of the soil-borne diseases that can hinder their growth. One of the key benefits of this homemade nutrient solution is its cost-effectiveness. You're using items that you typically have around the house, saving you from shelling out on expensive store-bought nutrients. But it's not just about saving money. It's also about sustainability. By using household items, you're reducing waste and making your gardening practice more environmentally friendly. Another major benefit is the control you have over what goes into your plants. You know exactly what's in your nutrient solution, and you can adjust the ingredients to suit the specific needs of your plants. And let's not forget the satisfaction that comes from creating something with your own hands. There's a certain joy in knowing that you're not only growing your plants, but you're also nurturing them with nutrients you've made yourself. So there you have it, a simple, cost-effective solution to ensure your hydroponic plants thrive. Happy gardening!